Okay, next project is a transitional threshold. So this is the first coat of tinted clear we put on the floor that we sanded. I've measured out this spot. I got a nice chunk of oak to mill down to put into here, and we just got some caution tape up to remind the homeowner. So for this transition I'm doing in that hallway, I got a chunk of oak right here. It's a 4-foot long piece, and I'm gonna have to mill it out. I'm gonna put an angle on it and do a little cut in here. First of all, I'm gonna chop it down to 31 5/8, and this is a 5.5 inch by 1.5. You know, they say 6 by 2. That's exactly what we need. That went rather good. There's our first cut. We'll have to sand that down, smooth it out a bit. It's a little bit of blade burn on there, but yeah, now we switch over to the dado. So this is the widest set I can put on. I haven't used one of these yet, and I haven't even used this setup, so we're gonna see how it works. We gotta take this off too. You know, this skill saw is pretty cool. I like it. And it's got all the tools stored right on it. Like the straight edge goes right in here, and the wrenches fit down in here, and I've got everything. The miter thing sits in there, and this is a nice little push stick, and it unbolt. You know, it just unsnaps from this frame down here. It's a whole other video, but yeah, we're gonna set this up. Got a vacuum system going on. So this is our piece, and we're going to have to go fit it up at the job site and make any last minute adjustments. Hopefully it's pretty much right on. There we go. Okay, this is going to be the end of the video. I fitted it up over there. I've got it in a photo. It fits almost perfect, except there's about an 1/8 inch of space right here And I know on one side of the wood flooring I have to take off about an 1/8 inch over there. So, but also there's cement coming up underneath. That's why this is cut out like this. And then this is for the carpet. I think maybe I might need to. I took a little bit more off of this with the dado, and I'm gonna put a couple coats of the tinted clear that I have. This is called Mira Poly polyurethane varnish, and a clear soft gloss. So I'm gonna put a coat of this on, and another coat tomorrow. And I'm going to have to probably run these thin little trim screws in, try to get it into the wood flooring, but also use construction adhesive to get this in place. And I think it'll work out just fine. So thanks for watching. This is the threshold piece into the hallway, custom. I'll do a quick review on this heater. It's really loud, number one. And the second thing about it is it does something to the air. I don't know. I don't think it's carbon monoxide. It's just, I don't know if it's burning up the oxygen or what, but I don't really like it. So I don't leave it on too long. The whole place is insulated. So once I get it up to temp, I shut it down. That's what this is, the Pro Temp. It's propane. We've got a little tank over there. Okay, this project right here is almost out. I'm going to move everything around and clean up. I've got to get the car in here next. And so I need to make a little room and go from there. We're going to be working on the car.